Hey there, Snapchat enthusiasts! Today, I've got a quick and easy guide for you on how to delete Snapchat messages and chats in less than 1 minute. So let's dive right in. First things first, open your Snapchat app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Swipe right from the camera screen to access your chat screen. Here, you'll find all your recent conversations. Select the conversation that contains the message or chat you want to delete. Simply tap on it to open it up. Now, tap and hold the message you want to delete. You'll see some options pop up. Hit delete and confirm your choice. Poof! That message is gone. If you want to delete the entire chat, you can do that too. Just go back to the chat screen, tap and hold you want to clear conversations. Tap on chat setting, you will see pop-up list. Tap on clear from chat feed. And there you have it, folks. Deleting Snapchat messages and chats is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Keep your conversations tidy and your secrets safe. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy Snapchat tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.